The 2026 Citroën C5 finally arrives to redefine the driving experience with a distinctive blend of innovation, design flair, and refined comfort. This latest offering from Citroën embraces the future while staying true to its heritage of providing a unique and memorable ride. Every aspect of the new C5 is meticulously crafted to ensure that both drivers and passengers are enveloped in an atmosphere of modern sophistication and traditional charm. The sleek exterior features bold lines and a contemporary silhouette that effortlessly captures attention on the road. Its dynamic front grille, innovative LED lighting, and aerodynamic curves add an element of sportiness, while also hinting at the thoughtful engineering beneath the surface. Underneath the elegant exterior lies a range of efficient and responsive powertrains designed to deliver both performance and economy. The engine options include a refined diesel and a turbocharged petrol model, each engineered with state-of-the-art technologies to provide smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. The transmission options are equally advanced, providing seamless gear shifts that contribute to an engaging and relaxed driving experience. For those who demand the highest level of performance, a hybrid variant offers a harmonious blend of electric and conventional power, ensuring reduced emissions without compromising on power or agility. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Citroën C5 is a masterclass in comfort and cutting-edge design. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials and an ergonomic layout that speaks to both style and functionality. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a host of smart connectivity features create an inviting space for long journeys or quick trips around the city. The spacious cabin is designed to accommodate families and professionals alike, offering plenty of legroom and clever storage solutions that contribute to overall convenience. Whether navigating busy urban streets or cruising on the open highway, every moment inside the is accompanied by a sense of tranquility and refinement. Technology plays a pivotal role in the new Citroën. The dashboard integrates a state-of-the-art infotainment system that is both intuitive and interactive, featuring a large touchscreen display that supports smartphone integration and advanced navigation tools. This seamless interface allows drivers to access music, communications, and vehicle settings with minimal distraction, ensuring that safety remains paramount throughout the journey. Additionally, a suite of driver assistance systems has been incorporated to enhance the overall safety and ease of driving. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated emergency braking are just a few of the features that contribute to a secure and effortless driving experience. The 2026 Citroën C5 is more than just a mode of transportation, it is a testament to Citroën's commitment to innovation, design, and driver satisfaction. Every detail, from its aerodynamic exterior to its technologically advanced interior, reflects the brand's aspiration to push boundaries and set new benchmarks in the automotive industry. For enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, this vehicle represents a compelling combination of performance, comfort, and style, promising an unparalleled driving experience on every road it graces. As the Citroën makes its debut, it is poised to captivate the imagination and elevate the standards of modern motoring, leaving a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to experience its journey. In every way, the 2026 Citroën C5 redefines modern driving with its aesthetics, advanced technology, and attention to detail, truly a masterpiece on wheels.